Today, I will show you how to speak English at the hospital. If you want to learn real English for real life, like and subscribe. And write in the comments, have you ever been to a hospital? Hello, Mom. Mom? What are you doing? Why are you sitting like that? I don't feel well. My head hurts a lot. I feel very hot. Mom, you look really sick. Since when do you feel like this? Did you sleep last night? I didn't sleep. I felt cold and then hot. Oh no. That's not good. You might have a fever. Wait. You are very hot. You definitely have a fever. Mom, we need to go to the hospital. We can't wait. Do we really need to go? Yes. I don't want it to get worse. Okay. Before we go, I need to prepare a few things. Okay. Let me check tech. What do we need? This is the insurance card. We need this at the hospital. Don't forget this kind. This is some cash. We need money to pay. Just in case now. This is Mom's ID. They will ask for this. We need this too, and this is her medicine record book. The doctor needs to see this. This is very important too. We are ready. Let's go. Are you okay, Mom? We are almost there. I'm okay, just a little dizzy. There it is, the hospital. It looks big. We're here. You're going to be okay. I hope so. Let's go inside. It's very quiet here, but that's good. The hospital is quiet, but I feel a little nervous. Hello. Excuse me. We would like to see a doctor. My mom is not feeling well. I understand. Let me help you. Could you please show me your insurance card? We need it for registration. Here you are. This is her insurance card. Please fill in this form. Write your name, address, and phone number. Thank you. I will fill it in now. Let's sit here. I will help you. Let's see. Name? What is your full name? My name is Linda Brown. Address? Your address? 123 Green Street. Phone number? What is your phone number? 0912345. Symptoms? What symptoms do you have? I have a headache. I feel very hot. I am very tired. Headache, fever, tired. Okay, we are done. Here is the form. I finished it. Thank you. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you in about 20 minutes. Let's sit over there. Are you okay, Mom? Yes. Thank you for helping. We wait for about 20 minutes. Linda Brown? Mrs. Linda Brown? It's your turn. That's us. Let's go, Mom. I will help you. Okay.
Hello? What seems to be the problem?
My mom has a headache and a fever. She feels very tired. She didn't sleep well last night.
Let me check your temperature. Please stay still. You have a mild fever. There is nothing serious. It's just a mild cold. You will be okay.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
I will give you some medicine. This will help you feel better. Take this medicine 3 times a day. After meals. It may make you sleepy, so please be careful. Drink a lot of water. It will help your body recover. Get enough rest. You need to sleep well. That is very important.
Thank you, doctor. We will follow your advice.
Here is your prescription. Take this to the payment desk. Then buy the medicine at the pharmacy.
Here is the prescription. I would like to pay. That will be 1,500 USD. You can pay by cash or card. I will pay by cash. Here you are. You can go to the pharmacy. Turn right over there. Here is your receipt and your prescription. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello. We have a prescription.
Okay. Please wait a moment. I will prepare your medicine. Take this medicine after meals. 3 times a day. This one may make you sleepy. Do not drive.
Thank you. Have a nice day. I brought your medicine and some water. Mom, take your medicine. Thank you, Nora. Get some rest, okay? You need to sleep. She will be okay. I feel better now.